understanding.
Explore the wonders of psychology, where every mind tells a unique story.
A community dedicated to unraveling the tapestry of human experience.
Welcome to a place where curiosity meets compassion, the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy. Bicol University, a premier state university in the Bicol region, was established in 1969. It is a university that offers diverse academic programs and is committed to providing quality education, conducting research, and engaging with the community.
With a vision to be a university for humanity while promoting the core values of scholarship, leadership, service, and character.
Bicol University plays a vital role in regional development by producing skilled graduates and contributing to research addressing to local challenges.
The institution is recognized for its commitment to excellence in education and community impact.
Bicol University is divided into different colleges. One of those is the College of the Trailblazers of the Socio-Political Landscape and where the Rising Phoenix resides. Our very own BU College of Social Sciences and Philosophy.
BUCSSP has produced students with a deep sense of nationalism and patriotism by offering adaptable and professional education in the social sciences and the post-baccalaureate levels.
The college offers the degree programs AB Peace and Security Studies, AB Political Science, AB Sociology,
BS Social Work, AB Philosophy, and the home of Psicologistas, BS Psychology.
BS Psychology provides a solid foundation in both theory and practical applications, offering insights into the complexities of the mind. Not only helps in comprehending one's own experiences, but also enables one to empathize and connect with others on a deeper level.
envisioning to be of service to other people, especially to those who need help.
By listening to the cries of others who experienced obstacles in mental health.
Inspired and motivated by mental health professionals to be an advocate and break stigma about mental health.
These are what drives us to continue studying psychology. We are here for a reason that will show our purpose.
And lead us to personal growth and self-discovery.
Studying psychology is not just purely about going to classes, reading books, and doing schoolworks. Good thing our institution, college, and department organizations would allow us to experience events that would let us showcase our skills and talents, like classroom ganaps, CSS Pistahan and Booths, CSSP intramurals, BU Olympics and Booths, BU Hataw.
On the other hand, after finishing BS Psychology, there are several career paths possibly waiting for us, such as psychometricians, counselors, psychologists, lawyers, and more.
But those are not just our end goals. We aspire to be more than that. We widely aim to
Continue to learn and deepen our knowledge in psychology,
To further advocate people's mental health services, but also people's overall health services, especially to those who don't have access to it.
And educate people more on mental health awareness.
Again, we, the mental health advocates, pledge to be change agents
in responding to the needs of the community.
Arriba, Psikolohiya! Mananalaytay at magdadala ng pagbabago.